it's Jessie here. I am popping on here for a super quick video. The premise of this video is essentially to ask you guys if you have any questions. I have not done a Q&A video in a very long time. I've got quite a few new subscribers recently. Hi, if you're new, welcome. So I thought that this would be a good time to do a Q&A video. So if you guys have any questions for me at all, whether they be personal questions, YouTube related questions, questions about Weight Watchers, weight loss, budgeting, finances, you know, whatever it may be, ask and I just might answer here in an upcoming video. You know, don't hold back if you have any questions at all. I'd like to get you know, a handful of questions that I can answer. I always get a little nervous posting this sort of video where I ask for questions because I feel like I'm going to be pretty embarrassed if I don't get any questions at all. But hopefully I can round up enough questions for an upcoming Q&A video. So ask away, leave your questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and be on the lookout for a Q&A video coming up real soon. Thanks, guys.